Hey, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Do you need to bring your old label files into the future? Watch me convert two legacy files from DuraSuite and LabelForge to LabelForge PRO. LabelForge PRO is DuraLabel's free sign and label design software. It works on desktop in our latest print systems like the Toro Max, Bronco Max, and Kodiak Max. LabelForge PRO comes with 3,000 plus pre-made signs and over 2,000 symbols. To take advantage of consistent feature updates, a modern interface, in a variety of compliance modules, your DuraSuite and LabelForge files will need a quick update first. First, we're going to start with DuraSuite. So you're going to launch DuraSuite, and we're going to go over to Label Designer. We're going to be working with a 6x4 template. This is what we just generally use for examples. And you can use the zoom tool down at the bottom right. And the toolbox or design tools will be down here at the bottom. So we're going to take the text label, throw that right in the middle, and then you're going to right click on your mouse, and then you're just going to hit set text. And I'm just going to write test text. Cool. And then we're going to go up to File, Save As, and then we're going to go over to Downloads, and then I'm going to just type test text DuraSuite. And that will save out the DuraSuite file. And then I'm just going to close the program. Now that you have the DuraSuite file saved and it's ready for import, we're going to open up our legacy LabelForge program, and it's going to be the same idea as our DuraSuite file. We're going to save it out and get it ready for import as well. And now we're going to open up the LabelForge program. And once this program's open, we're just going to full screen it. We'll go over to the settings icon. And just to keep it consistent with what we've been doing with the DuraSuite file, we're going to keep it a 4x6. And then we're going to go to the add text area. I'm just going to make this a little bigger. Hit the add text button, and then we're going to type in test text. Then I'm going to go over to the save icon, go to downloads, and then I'm going to type in test text LabelForge. Save it out, and we are good in the LabelForge program, so we're going to exit out of that. So we're going to head over to the LabelForge Pro icon. Once this program opens up, you'll see that you have a completely new interface on the home page where you can go over your recents, your favorites, and your local desktop files as well if you save your labels on the network. So we're going to go over to Label Designer. And we're going to stick with the 6x4. Just hit Create a New Label. Then you're going to go over to this 3-line hamburger menu. You're going to click on that. You're going to go down to the LF or LabelForge import option. You're going to click on that. And you'll see that our DuraSuite template and our LabelForge template have been pulled up from the downloads area. So we're going to start with the DuraSuite template. I'm going to click on that. And simply you're just going to go over and hit save. If you want to save as to like your network file or a different area on your desktop, you can do so. Now that we save that out, I'll go over to the File Explorer, and I'll show you in our Downloads section that your DuraSuite file has now been saved out to a LabelForge profile. So we are good on that. We're going to go back to the home page now in LabelForge Pro. We're going to hit Label Designer again so we can do the LabelForge file. We're going to hit Create New Label for the 6x4. And then we're going to go over to the 3-line hamburger menu again, go down to the import option. You're going to hit that. And then we're going to double click on the LabelForge file type. And there you go, it pulled it up again seamlessly. And then we'll just simply hit the save icon once again. And then we'll go over to the File Explorer, go to Downloads. You'll see now that your LabelForge file has been saved out to a LabelForge Pro file type. And now that we have upgraded both legacy formats, that's it. Old DuraSuite and LabelForge files now live in LabelForge Pro. Remember, LabelForge Pro can help you design and print signs within seconds. There are 3,000 plus pre-made signs, over 2,000 safety symbols, and a variety of compliant pipe marking, arc flash, GHS HAZCOM, and NFPA modules to help simplify the process. If you need to upgrade your print system, visit DuraLabel.com or talk to an account specialist. If you have additional questions, visit our product knowledge base or contact our support team. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.